So this hack really helped me with my finances living here in the UK, and how I paid my 15,000 pounds, or if I convert mo to sa peso, is 1.5 million in just 3 years. And I will share it with you. Baka kasi makatulong sa inyo. As an impulsive buyer, I was really guilty of purchasing with my emotions. If I feel happy, check out. If I feel depressed, check out or treat myself to a coffee or branch out when I applied. But when I applied this, what we called 48-hour rule that I've just learned in Mr. Chinkitan, that's when it all shifted it out. What do I mean by this? Kapag may gusto kang bilhin, like for example, sale, kalimutan mo lang siya. Set aside for 2 days or what we called 48 hours or i-add to cart mo pero wag mong i-check out. Like what mo talagang i-check out. And then afterwards, if you forgot it after 2 days, then that means it's just an impulsive buying or impulsive decision that you're making on that day and hindi mo talaga kailangan. Pero pag nasa isip mo pa din siya, that means yun ka na mag-decide. Do you really need that one or do you just want that one? Discipline me to really focus on paying my debts, and now I'm really happy that I applied that one. So every time na meron akong bibilhin na gustong bibilhin on that day, I just applied that 48-hour rule. Add to cart mo lang, wag mong i-check out. And then after 2 days, that's it. If you really need it, then buy it. That's a want, then do not buy it. So dahil sa hack na to, I was able to really pay my debts and prioritize on paying for that one the fastest way I could. And I'm able to take control of my finances now. So try nyo lang, baka mag-work sa inyo kasi nag-work talaga siya sa akin. Sabay tayong maging wais sa pera dito, lalo na pag nasa abroad ka na. Kasi you really deserve a true rich life. This is just an advice of your Ate Gail here in the UK, and reminding you always that kahit breadwinner ka, you deserve abundance too.